How are you people? So okay, I'm ready for my impromptu challenge of the day, and let's see what the new question is. Ask me anything. How do you know when it is time to continue holding on or time to let go? Oh my god, these questions are really very difficult ones. So how do you know when it is time to continue holding on or time to let go? There is something common between you and me, and in fact among all of us, that we all have these kind of situations where we don't know whether it's time to let it go or continue holding. And it's not easy. I think it's always on a case by case basis. And as a human being, and being an optimistic human being, we always think that let's wait for some more time, let's wait for some more time, let's wait for some more time, and the things will improve. And it's a difficult choice to let something go which you have been holding on for quite a long time. It's never an easy decision, and in fact I am pretty sure the day whenever we take that decision to let it go, you always think that you could have done that couple of years back, or maybe couple of months back, or whatever time you have spent on that particular thing. And this is true for everything, whatever you let go. There is no right time, and there is no even wrong time. Maybe if you let it go pretty early, you may not achieve anything, right? You may not achieve the success which was just right there at the moment, right? Which was just, if you could have held it for some more time, things might have improved. You never know all this, right? And that is where, in fact, I have seen in a lot of situations where we say that success was just right there after some few steps, and you let it go. You actually lost the opportunity. And that is said for every failure person, and for every successful person it is used as he just went few steps ahead to you and he achieved that success. Same is with everything. So I think it's always a difficult decision. I'm not sure if I have taken, I might have, in a lot of circumstances I might have continued and hold it on, and there are a lot of situations where you let it go. Whenever you do that decision, just my belief is that you should have a justified or objective decision you might have taken, and that should be, and don't regret about what you could have done, what would have happened, and those kind of things. You just walk further and further, thinking that what you took the decision, whatever was the best as per that time. That's it. Thank you very much. I'm done for the day.